Hey guys, my name is Rahil and today I'm going to unbox this MiTV and review it.
There goes a sight from my soul.
This is the new MiTV 4A which I'm going to unbox right now in the middle of this road. Or maybe not. I think I'm forgetting something. The intro coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I make auto DIY tips and tricks and tech review videos. So if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on anything. Now, one of my previous videos went super crazy and at the time of this shoot it has got 86,915 views, which is very huge for me. I had not expected this to happen. Do check it out and see if you find something interesting, especially the comment section. Now coming back to the unboxing. Base stand for the TV, the MiTV, and a user manual, which is something that will go into the trash right away. TV remote, 4 screws. This is the new MiTV 4A 43 inches and yes, this is a LED TV. Now I will not go into the detailed specifications as you might have already seen lots of videos on YouTube. And if I at all go with the specifications, then this video will be too long and very boring. So what gives? The primary requirement of a TV to a normal person is for his or her own entertainment. If the TV display is good, blends into your home perfectly and is light on your wallet, then that TV is for you. And that is exactly what this TV is. The display panel of this TV is manufactured by Samsung, which is a full HD 1080p, which is very crisp and clear. The design of this TV looks so modern with its slim bezel, which will fit in most of the homes easily. It has a Patchwall operating system based on Android, by which you can also sideload apps on it. Logic 64-bit quad-core processor, 1GB RAM and 8GB storage means good performance. It is not the best out there, but it is very sufficient and does the job really well. The sound output of this TV is very decent, just like any other normal TVs. A little bit better. But if you want some serious good quality audio output, then this TV supports DTH HD audio format, so go ahead and get some good quality home theater systems. The remote has just 11 buttons and feels comfortable in the hand. Now this single remote can be used to control your TV as well as your set-top box. So now you don't have to fiddle around with two separate remotes, one single remote and that's it. Now you can also control this TV from your Android phone. This TV has 3 USB ports to connect your flash drive, 3 HDMI ports, 1 AV input, 1 Ethernet input, 1 earphone out, and the most favorite of all, Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi connectivity is required to enjoy video on demand services like Netflix and YouTube. Now the picture quality on this TV is really good and will not disappoint you at all. Now if you're wondering what video is playing right now, you can go to my channel and check out the same video. Yes, that's one of my tutorial videos. Now I have seen only Sharmaji Technical who has connected a set-top box to this TV for a review. I have done the same thing by connecting TataSky to this TV and this is how it looks.
लाइव स्टार स्पोर्ट्स नेटवर्क और हॉटस्टार पर। This broadcast is co-presented by.
Now most of the users who are going to buy this TV are going to use it for DTH or cable connection. The standard definition channels on this TV looks decent and the HD channels looks amazing. The colors are vibrant and sharp and looks good to the eye. This is a very good TV for normal everyday household use. Now one thing that I didn't like about this TV is that it does not support Dolby Digital audio format. Now one more thing that I personally liked about this TV is the Patchwall operating system, which is buttery smooth. Overall, this TV is feature packed and at a price point of 22,999, it is value for money if you compare it with the competitors, and is also best in its segment. Now if you are a normal user or a tech geek or don't know anything about TVs and needs a 43-inch TV, should you buy this? Yes, definitely, but only if you could crack the flash sale like me, and that is the biggest disadvantage of this TV. Good luck with that. So that's it for the video. Hope you liked the tech review. Hit the like button if you did so, share this video with your friends and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.
MiTV हर मुंबई इंडियंस मैच के दिन सुबह 8 बजे स्टार स्पोर्ट्स नेटवर्क पर। कौन जीतेगा देखिए वर्सेस किंग्स 11 पंजाब आज शाम 7 बजे लाइव स्टार स्पोर्ट्स नेटवर्क और हॉटस्टार।
अरे थोड्याच्या रिकॉर्डच जाऊ ना.